What is up, people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, for the ones who are visiting this channel for the first time and watching my video for the first time, this channel is all about the lesser known tools and hacks that would help you increase your digital productivity. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and the bell icon besides that, because I keep on making this kind of videos on a daily basis, and whenever you guys subscribe to the channel, it's just a motivation factor to create more and more videos like these and get more and more information for you people. Well, coming to the topic for today, now for the ones who are visiting this channel for the first time, I've recently started this series on my channel. It's a playlist rather named as Quora Answers, wherein I go ahead and try to answer the questions asked to me by the users on Quora, or the people who follow me on Quora, the people who follow my space on Quora. In case if you have not yet followed the space, the link is in the description below, and the name of this space is Digital Productivity Web. So make sure you go ahead and follow that particular space and ask me as many questions as you can. I'll go ahead and try to answer as many questions as I can. Now coming to the question for today, now this question is being asked to me by a lot of people. To be precise, it's 9 people who have requested an answer for this particular question from me. The question is, will Shutterstock reconsider its new earning structure after the backlash from its contributor? Now, in case if you are not a stock photographer and if you're not aware of the update, I have recently made a video about how Shutterstock has rewinded or revised how they are gonna, their payment structure in terms of how are they gonna pay the contributors or the people who try to sell their images on Shutterstock platform. And to be really honest, a lot of contributors have got disheartened by this decision, and there was a hashtag which was recently trending on Twitter named as boycott Shutterstock, because they have lowered the amount of how much the contributor is gonna get paid to a level which is beyond bad altogether. So yeah, I'm really sorry for the people who have actually asked this question to me. It's been a long time, and I was trying to search and find some information which would be helpful for me to give you an answer for this one, but unfortunately I do not feel that there is any way that Shutterstock is going to reconsider their decision, especially because of this pandemic situation, wherein not only Shutterstock, but to be really honest, I checked my sales for Getty Images for this month, and the sales for Getty Images has been low. Like it has never been so low in the entire last year that I have checked. But this month, the last month actually, I've got the sales on Getty Images for just 27 cents, which is nothing, absolutely nothing. So I am though Getty Images have not actually given any particular answer for this question, or they have not given any official announcement for this, but I feel that Getty Images have also reconsidered their payment terms in terms of paying to the contributors. And coming to the question again, I was not able to find any information, or there is no update from Shutterstock that they are going to reconsider for this particular new payment structure, and they are going to increase, or they are going to make the sales or earnings as it was. I think a lot of brands are going through this pandemic situation altogether, and in this there is no way that Shutterstock is going to reconsider that. There was a hashtag which was trending on Twitter as boycott Shutterstock, but still I do not feel there is no information on the internet all over that they are going to reconsider that. So I hope I have answered your question in detail and thoroughly. If you like this particular answer, guys, please go ahead and upvote this answer if you're watching this on my Quora space. If you're watching this on my Instagram account, make sure you go ahead and check out the link in the bio and subscribe to the channel. Apart from that, you can always go ahead and check out the blog. The link is in the description below. I write a blog on a weekly basis, or at least I'm trying to write a blog on a weekly basis. But so that was it from my end for this particular question. I'll be back with another question and another answer for you guys. Till then, keep watching my channel and keep geeking. Also, if you want more information, you can go ahead and check out the playlist named as Quora Answers. I'm going to share the link somewhere in the corner so you can have a look at that. That's all from my end. I'll be back with another thing. Take care, guys.